Don't stay in bed unless you can make money in bed, George Burns. This quote may have been right a few decades ago, but in today's time, you can stay in your bed and still be a billionaire. The reason is online earning methods. As the world is going digital, the ways of working, doing business and earning money are changing rapidly. And if you are still thinking about how to make money online in India, then come, let's check out this video about 5 easy methods of making money online. But before that, you need to know about a few things to be successful in your journey of online earning. 1. Know your niche. Before selecting any way to earn online, you need to know your areas of interest. This way not only you can provide your best services to customers, but will also be successful. 2. Learn the necessary skills. Developing the skills that will make your work easier and help you succeed is necessary. Learn basic skills like communication, writing, knowledge of computers and handling technology. 3. Make a plan. Having a clear vision is crucial, so before approaching customers, be clear about your products and services. And draw contracts before the deal. 4. Stay updated. As the sole owner of your online business or career, you need to learn things on your own. So, stay updated with industry news. 5. Keep documents handy. Every online platform, survey and gig platforms, asks for document verification before assigning you any task. So, keep your original and copy documents with you. 6. Network and communicate. No matter how skilled you are, if people don't know you, your efforts will go in vain. So, inform people about your products and services, network and engage with industry people. 1. Freelancing. Thinking about how to make money online in India? Then you might want to know about freelancing. Today, freelancing is considered one of the best online money-making sources. There are no limits to earning in this field if you are skilled in your work and hold great knowledge of your field. You can start your online freelancing independently or find gigs on freelancing sites. How does it work? If you have the skills like writing, journalism, programming, development, designing, marketing, etc., there are hundreds of options, then you are good to go. Choose any online freelancing platform. The most famous ones are Freelancer and Fiverr. Create your account on the chosen platform. Search for the projects related to your skills and do the bidding. Complete the projects on time and get paid. How to start freelancing? Create your online portfolio. This portfolio will consist of your sample projects or creations that you can use to showcase your skills. Start networking and connect with people of a similar niches as yours. This will strengthen your chances of success. Advertise your services and skills on social media platforms. Take up freelancing gigs on the platforms and start your online earning. 2. Online tutoring. If you think you are good at explaining and instructing and possess good knowledge of particular subject matters, then you can start giving online tuition. Not only is this a great answer to your question of how to make money online in India, but also pays well. However, remember that online tutoring doesn't involve just teaching, but preparing learning material, distributing of course material and tracking students' growth on your own. How does online tutoring work? Anyone with a specialized interest in any subject matter can be a tutor online to earn online money. You can use platforms like Zoom, Skype, etc. for live tutoring. You can register with companies like Chegg India for online tutoring. You can also record and model your course and sell or rent it on various websites like Udemy etc. How to start online tutoring? Earn more to help students learn more. Giving online tuition is a skill in itself, and if you have the right skill and hold over the subject matter you want to teach, then you can succeed positively. Expertise in the subject matter and a certificate of your knowledge as proof should be present before you start teaching online. Create a business plan on how you want to teach and manage your online tutoring work. Choose any online tutoring platform to teach online, and choose your pricing. Start creating online study material and keep your equipment like a phone, camera etc. ready to record lessons. Once ready, start teaching online and make money online. 3. Selling with online platforms. Are you a retailer, or an artisan, or any individual who creates and sells products? And if you want to take your business online and are thinking about how to make money online in India, then selling with online platforms is a good way to do so. As an online seller, you can sell your products not only at the national but at the international level too. How does selling with online platforms work? Selling products with online platforms is one of the most growing fields. Everyone loves doing online shopping nowadays. Making this a profitable way to make money online. Retailers and distributors can earn money online by registering with the online shopping platform like an Amazon and Flipkart and sell their products online. Not only retailers, but artisans can also sell their arts online, removing the scope of the middleman from between. People can even sell their services like repair and maintenance, home cleaning, etc. online, using platforms like UrbanClap. How to start selling with online platforms? Before start selling your products online, you need to keep some documents ready with you, like PAN card, Aadhaar card, details of active bank account, etc. Once you have all the required documents, you need to register yourself on the online selling platform. After registration and confirmation, you can start listing your products or services under your business name. Lastly, you need to store and pack the product for delivery whenever a product is ordered. You can also handle the delivery, but if don't want to, then your selling platform will handle everything. 4. Become a consultant. If you possess excellency and expertise in any field and are thinking of ways to how to make money online in India, then you might consider becoming a consultant. As a consultant, you will be helping businesses and individuals in gaining success in their endeavors. How do consultancy work? You can use your experience and knowledge to counsel others. Anyone with skills and experience can become a consultant. You can work independently by registering yourself on consulting sites like Clarity.fm, or work with a consultancy firm. What you need is clear and in-depth knowledge of your field, and you are good to become a consultant and earn money online. How to start consulting? Foremost, you need to select the industry you want to work in. Once selected, you need to build your credibility in the market. For that, you need to demonstrate your knowledge and maybe do some courses. Create a website demonstrating your expertise and experience. Network with right people of the industry, keep yourself updated. 5. Surveys, searches, and reviews. Taking surveys and writing reviews is sure a good way to earn money online in a quicker way. So, if you are thinking about ways how to make money online in India, then you can consider it. There are several companies that look for individuals to test the product, services or websites and give honest reviews. In exchange, you can get paid handsomely. How surveys, searches and reviews work? Several websites and businesses use this method of filling up surveys, carrying out online searches, and writing reviews on products. There are many reputed companies to choose from like Swagbucks, Price Rebels, which are available where you can give surveys to earn money and rewards. You can even earn points, referrals, and gift cards, using apps like StepSetGo, which pays you for walking, and Google Opinion Rewards. This is a good way to make money online. Related article, online surveys to earn quick money, genuine options. How to start surveys, searches and review earning? You need to select the companies and types of products you want to test and review. Once done with that, you need to sign up for as many company surveys you can. After getting your ID approved, you will start receiving the survey forms to fill. Make sure to fill survey and give review with utmost honesty. Once you fill the survey, the companies will pay you in money, credit points or vouchers. If you find this video informative, do subscribe the channel and like the video please.